He's saying, walk on me.
What about this? What do you think?
A huckleberry?
Is it poisonous?
You're eating the fucking poison oak berry?
Try it.
No.
Isn't that a rose right here?
Yeah.
Rose hip, right?
Yeah.
Smell. It's a rose hip.
That is a rose hip. Don't be
all this
eating
is
out of the poison oak, though.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, this is poison.
This is all poison oak.
Poison oak.
Poison oak.
Come get you some. Ooh.
Poison oak.
Touch it.
You think I'm gonna get it on my mouth, Carly?
I'm nervous.
Grab it into the water.
Here.
Oh, right in my eye, man.
Just a little bit of rainy red stuff. Oh, then you gotta look for quartz rocks. That's the old guy said. You'll see quartz rocks sitting here on the side of the trail.
Someone's been digging up in there.
Little pieces of crystal. You don't know. Seems like this poison oak up there.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, go in that little cave in there.
Whoa. Serious.
Civilization.
Camping was at 14 days. Gold mining, yes.
Crystal hunting, yes.
Did it say that?
There's a little trail there. Yeah. Wow, look at that water in there.
That water.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna come down here in the summer, in the middle of the summer. Come camp down here.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Not poison oak.
I don't think you'll be by any flatlanders up here.
Man, that is stunning without reflection.
Yeah. Glowing, yeah.
What's up with this?
Danger. I don't believe it.
Someone's been digging.
What are they digging for?
Gold.
I'm thinking there's no crystal, no quartz vein, it's all gravel. They just don't want people digging in here. There's too many gold nuggets. That's typical.
Yeah.
They don't want you to get the good stuff.
That's where I'd be going right in
Yeah. Yeah, they just made the rock and then love it. Right? Yeah. Joey, did you grab your lighter or did I leave it in the car?
I grabbed it, man.
You got one too?
You got one?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Oh, Jody's
You're too
faster.
slow. Too slow for the man.
Okay, got it. Wow.
You guys see any quartz rocks? There's no quartz on the ground?
I see something that's been
Whoa.
pooping.
My goodness.
It's a sap rock with stalag saps.
Oh, that's cool. Look at,
Yeah.
look at that one.
That is a tall tree.
Oh, yeah.
I like it. Looks like rocks coming out of it.
Hey, what's this right here?
What is it?
Bark.
Oh, nothing. It's nothing, man.
Ooh, there's a bunch of that green shit down there by the creek.
Yep.
That same vein popping out.
Whoa! Jeez.
See, Luna, that white stuff doesn't draw your eye.
Yeah. That's cool.
Beautiful down here.
Yeah, it's nice.
Did you know that we could walk down here to go soak in the water? I wondered if it would be further than this.
You guys are going swimming? Yeah?
It's so hot down here. Dives open creek.
Yeah.
A little bit of rapids.
You could come down here and fish.
Yeah.
Whoa, this thing's wobbling. Wow, look at that. Yeah. That's nice there.
That looks sweet down there. Ooh, what about those berries?
Where?
Those little black ones right down here on the, they call this umbile. When the stuff is radiating in every direction like
Yeah.
that.
What does that mean?
Umbile. It's just the name of the formation of the plant when it's going.
Huh.
You remember seeing the flowers to that stuff?
Yeah.
You gonna eat it?
No, it's not edible, I don't think. I don't know, but I wouldn't.
Yeah, if you don't know.
I would eat the blackberries.
Yeah.
At least you can eat that. That's one for something. Okay, can you go look at this rock vein right here?
Yeah, you better.
Can we
Put the
examine
hole
it?
in front of it.
Yeah. What's the situation?
What's the situation we got going on up here?
A bunch of old big boulders that have been here forever.
Is that a vein right there?
Gold mining.
Gold mining.
Any crystals in there, Xander?
It's a gold vein.
Where's the gold? Why- Is that it right down there in the corner?
Gold?
Left? That little vein down there, orange?
It's all, this is all ancient riverbeds, so they're mining out the fine gravels out of the
Yeah.
river deposit.
Wow.
Looks like there might be some right there.
I see some little glitters there.
You gotta dig it out.
See right here?
Fill up a 5-gallon bucket and bring it back.
Careful in there.
Oh, that's from.
There is a
little bit of
crystallization in this vein.
You using your brace as a shovel there?
And then there's green copper, which is a sign that there's metals in the ore.
Huh.
You see that? See, that's the color of copper right there. That's a sign of metal. See how it's forming in the vein like that?
Uh-huh.
That means that a high percentage of a chance that there is gold in this actual vein right here. You know what I mean? This little strike line.
What'd you find there? Nice.
Whoa!
Uh-oh. Don't put your hand back there, Carla.
What is it?
Snail.
Ooh, a slug.
Or a slug.
Banana.
Is it a banana?
A banana.
A small one.
So most likely there'll be gold right in here in these veins.
Well, this is where it's actually eroding out of, but like to find it, you would go down in like that dude was doing, and you'd be bucketing out that shit and taking it down to the little creek and sluicing it, or something to that effect.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to come down here.
Or bring it home and do it. Either way, you know, you fill a 5-gallon bucket.
Right.
Um,
That's what we're supposed to do now.